We struck a storm. Thanks, Splash Planet. Ah, trees are falling down. Oh no. Oh man. You are a man. Tidy Kiwi, good on you. We are in Hastings now. That's obviously the library. Civic Square. Here we are. Ooh, lovely. Still at the library. Sheesh. These. It's different. Goodness, it should be more obvious. Where are they? Love that tree. Oh man. You are a man. Okay. Different. Major General Sir Andrew Russell. It's all about him. But what's with the Dolly the warhorse? Where's Dolly? Do we know where Dolly is? No, I think she hasn't been created. They want it in the Civic Square, but she's not here yet. And another memorial. Okay. It's the Civic Square in Hastings. Very nice. Tonga, isn't it the main street of Hastings? I think it is. Look for trains. Okay. No trains. A bird on one leg. Is that the time? Oh, okay. What do you think? Isn't this pleasant? Isn't it lovely? Oh look, there's sheep. There's a Christmas tree. What are these though? Time changes everything. Oh, so they do represent things. You can't work out the little shells. What does it say? Heaven is in your eyes and nose. I don't know what that word says. It doesn't say nose. No. In that we breathe. There we go. See, it could have been nose. What's he looking at? This plaque was erected by the Hastings District Council in memory of those people who lost their lives in the earthquake. Oh, that's what. The sun went down before it was noon. Oh, how sad. So why are there sheep? And why are you the black sheep of the family? No. There's no words to say. Yeah, I did. That's what the little bird was drinking out of. Okay, let's go. This is caravan boy. Oh, look at these. Look at these, Beach. Whoops, I'm not eating here, sorry. Is it ice cream? Oh, goodness sake, is that what it is? Look at you. Do you think Christmas is coming shortly? It's December. Found a park to look at in Hastings. Ooh, got a bridge, a river. Kids' playground. Right, we might walk around the edge, hey, around here. I like it. You happy too, Bobby? Tree. It's beautiful. Wow. It's beautiful. I like you, Cornwall Park. My cup of tea. But I don't drink. Yep, there's some Chinese gardens or something here. Yay! Oh, look, see? Oh, wow. Should we go this way first? I don't know which way to go. Oh, nice. Yay! Huh. Oh, look at that. Look at that, eh? Isn't that cute? Little bridge over there. There's that big red. I stopped for a bite to eat. I don't even know, it's not even lunchtime, is it? Wow. Super duper. Photo session. You've attracted the ducks, Bobby. And we don't have food again. Sorry, ducks. Bye. We've got more lions. Yay! A whole lion this time, not just a head. Whoa! Himalayan cedar. It's humongous. I love it. we're not going. We can't go in. We're not children. We're not swimming. We don't want to pay money to go in, do we?
$7 for spectators.
Oh! Yay, look at this frog pond stream. The ducks are sleeping in it. We got something to throw it in, Bobby? Let's throw something in. Let's find something. Yay! It's massive. Yay! Where'd it go? Oh, what the? You're supposed to do it all together. Oh no. I gave you all of those to do all together. Not one at a time. They're not big enough. It's not big enough. It was a hopeless frog in the pond throw. Nice. Yeah, Bobby. This beautiful willow. And it's still frog pond. Yay. Ready? Run to the gap there. Yeah. Yay! Frog pond. What do you do? There's actual fish in here. What the heck? How the heck did that happen? Goldfish? Round fish? Look at them all. Oh, I never did. It doesn't look very nice water for you. Poor fishies. Okay. Back on our walk near Splash Planet. Little patch of roses. Those skies look a bit ominous. They said there could be showers. Been lucky so far. The rains came. Ah, you're okay, Donald. Isn't he? Can't hear the thunder. Saw the lightning and heard the thunder. It was going to town. We've struck a storm. Thanks, Splash Planet. Trees are falling down. Oh no. Here comes my ride. Run. Oh, thank you. Oh, he's driving out. Good on you. Let's go.